Yesterday, renders seemingly showing several unannounced Motorola phones were leaked, and now we can go one better as photos allegedly showing the Moto G6 Plus in the flesh have emerged. Posted to Reddit, the images seem to line up with yesterday's render, showing a screen that likely has an 18:9 aspect ratio, with a Motorola logo and a home button, fingerprint scanner below it. We can only see the front of the phone and it's a bit blurry, so details are hard to make out, but given that it matches what we've seen before, it could well be the real deal, though we'd still take it with a pinch of salt. Even if this really is the Moto G6 Plus, it's supposedly a pre-production model, so it might well undergo changes before it launches. There's no new information on the specs, but previously we'd heard rumors that the G6 Plus would have a 5.93-inch FHD Plus screen, a Snapdragon 630 chipset, 3GB, 4GB or 6GB of RAM, 32GB or 64GB of storage, a dual-lens rear camera with 12MP and 5MP lenses, a 16MP front-facing camera and a fingerprint scanner, making it something of a mid-ranger. There's no news on a release date, but the Moto G5 Plus was announced at MWC 2017, so there's a chance we'll see the Moto G6 Plus at MWC 2018, which starts on February 26, so we might not have long to wait.
Yeah.